Well, I saw your question here. You want to write the real imaginary number in simplified complex form. So you give a 9 plus square root of negative 75. You want to simplify your answer, type your answer in the form a plus bi. Well, first thing I'll point out the definition, the square root of negative b equals I square root of b. So we want to apply that to the square root of negative 75. So you have 9 plus square root of negative 75, so that's going to be 9 plus I square root of 75. So the minus becomes an I, and B is a positive. Okay, so I apply definition. First of all, the hardest part may be simplifying this radical. It says simplify your answer. That's what it's referring to, is to simplify the square root of 75. I've worked on that over here. When you're simplifying the square root of 75, you want to take 75 and break it into two numbers, one of them being the biggest perfect square factor of 75. In this case, it's 25 times 3 is 75. And you break, square root of 25 times 3 is the same as square root of 25 times square root of 3. You simplify square root of 25, and that's 5. And what's left is the square root of 3. So if I finish this, it's going to be 9 plus 5i square root of 3, where I've simplified the square root of 75 to 5 square root of 3. Now I do have a video on simplifying radicals. Maybe you would find that helpful. You may want to look at it. I have a video on simplifying radicals. You may want to watch that video. Search for it. It's in my list. Hope this helps.